Hello and welcome to a new course with me. In this course you are going to learn how to build 13 projects with PHP, MySQL and PDO. After finishing this course you should have a clear understanding of how web apps are created with modern technologies, how to combine the tools that I just mentioned to build something meaningful, plus you will have fun along the way. So here is a little bit about me. I'm a developer, a freelancer and an instructor. I have more than 150,000 people who are registered in my courses in the last 2 or 3 years. So I started developing websites 3 or 4 years ago. I also started freelancing 2 years ago, and I also started teaching courses on this platform around a year or two. So enough about me, so I want to get to the purpose of this course. So this course will teach you various aspects of web development, how to combine PHP with MySQL and so on. We are going to build meaningful, and we are going to build mini projects. They're small but they're very useful. They will help you in your big projects. Alright, I'm also going to teach you a couple of stuffs along the way, like how to combine Ajax with jQuery, with PHP and MySQL, how to install packages, how to install plugins and stuff like that. I'm also going to get into some advanced parts in PHP and MySQL. Alright, so here are a couple of projects that we are going to build. These are just a couple. These are not the 13 projects that I have in this course. So this is the PHP email sender, and I'm going to install the package, show you how to work with Gmail configurations and how to set everything up, and how to build this little email sender, which is really cool. So after the email sender, I want to discuss the payment page with PayPal. This is a really important project. This is a really important project. Maybe you want to build an e-commerce website. So this is going to be, I would say, the main feature, which is setting up PayPal. So I'm going to show you how to set up the accounts for the merchant and the seller, how to set up the package. I'm going to show you how everything works along the way or under the hood. So something else that we're going to take a look at, which is the comment system. So we're going to build a posting system, and then we're going to build this comment system on top of it. And this is all going to be done, using Ajax. So this is a really cool project to have on your CV. Alright, so after this, we're going to implement the rating system. I'm going to show you how to set up, the jQuery plugin for doing so. How to build this actually on top of the comments system. Alright, so this is should be really cool. Of course, every user should have his own rating and so on. After this, we're going to implement a full live search system, which is also really cool. It's a main feature of every website nowadays. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. After this, I'm going to show you how to work with APIs of the broadcast and weather and so on. We are going to go ahead and use a simple API to pull the broadcast, the weather, stuff like that, from this API into our own PHP code. Alright, so after this, I want to discuss the symbol form. So the symbol form is going to be kind of similar to the posting system, but it has many useful features, and where I actually discuss a couple of things in the advanced MySQL queries. Alright, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Alright, so this was actually my simple introduction to this video. So if you like this course, just consider getting it right now. And yeah, I will see you inside the course.